Thank you for tuning into Jent Tech. Please like and subscribe. Today I would like to show you an introduction guide on how to utilize a SFC scan now for corrupted files on your PC. First step, you want to locate your command prompt, which in Windows 11 is now called Terminal. Command prompt is still available as well. You can also use PowerShell. Right here, after typing SFC/scan now, you will get an admin block. It requires evaluation. You can either right-click on any of the following: Terminal, Command Prompt or PowerShell and select Administrator, or you can click on the top for a new tab and choose the program you want to run as administrator. Please type in the command SFC/scan now. It will check the files of your PC for any corruption and will fix them, if it is a simple solution and not a full corruption. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.